Love the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.